everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and in today's video I will be talking about a few steps that you can take if your Instagram DMs are not loading. So there can be times when you have received a new message and it is showing that on your Instagram app, but when you load the DMs it is not there. So this can happen as well. And apart from that, if you are not able to load the new messages, so make sure you watch the video till the end, as I will be sharing some quick tips for this error. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so if you are on the Instagram app and your DMs, the new messages are not loading, what you can do is you can simply check first of all that if the Instagram server is down or not, as there can be times when there is an issue with the Instagram app itself, and that's why you are not able to load the DMs properly. Alright, so for that you can easily use any browser on your mobile device and simply type Instagram server status. So here you can use this website that is known as Down Detector, and this is one of the popular websites where you can check the server status of all the social media platforms. So this will also show that if Instagram is having any issues or it is only you who is not able to load the DMs and so on. Alright, so here you can see that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. It means only you are not able to load the DMs. Alright, and Instagram is doing fine for the moment. You can even check this graph that will show you the outages that have been reported by other users in the last 24 hours. So it is possible that every now and then Instagram is going down, and that's why you might be facing this problem. And if that is the case, you cannot do anything. You just have to wait for like a few hours and let Instagram fix that issue. Only then you will be able to use it properly again. Alright, so that's one thing. So you need to check if Instagram is down or not. The next thing you can do on your own side is you can simply log out of the Instagram app and you can log back in. Alright, so that might also help in fixing this issue. So for that you can simply go to settings. No need to open the Instagram app, just go to settings and just search for the Instagram app. And here you need to go to a storage section where you will find one option that says clear data. So when you will press clear data, this will completely log you out of Instagram. Alright, so you will be able to start a new session. Just enter your email address and your password and see if that helped you in fixing the issue with Instagram DMs or not, if you are able to see the new messages that you have received or not. Alright, so that's one thing you can do. Apart from that, you must also ensure that you are using the latest version of the app. So for that, just go to the Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the app. And as you can see right here, an update is available, so you can just download that update. If you see this update button, you can simply press that, and then you can see if you are able to use Instagram again normally or not, if the issue with the DMs got fixed or not. So updating your Instagram can also help in certain cases. Alright, and also make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Alright, this can be the reason that if your Wi-Fi is not giving you the adequate signal strength that is required by Instagram, so you will not be able to load the messages, or you will face issues in replying to the person. Alright, so that's all you can do if you are facing issues while loading your new DMs on Instagram. And that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more informative content. Thank you for watching.